In this video, we'll see class 10 coordinate geometry sums. So, I'm doing exercise 7.1 coordinate geometry sums. Okay. In my previous video, I've explained you how you can identify the types of quadrilateral, different types of quadrilateral with the help of few things that I told you, explanations that I told you. In this video, similar to that, different types of triangle, how to identify the different types of triangle if the vertices of the three triangles are given, how to identify that I will, how to show the different types of triangle, that I am going to explain you. First one is right angle triangle. So when you take a right angle triangle, if three vertices are given in a right angle triangle, you know that what is a right angle triangle? One angle is 90 degree. So if the right angle triangle vertices are given, or if three vertices are given, we don't know what type of triangle it is. So in these three categories we will get. One is right angle triangle, second one is isosceles triangle, second one is isosceles triangle, this one is right angle triangle, right angled triangle, this one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is when two sides of the triangle, any two sides of the triangle are equal, they are called as isosceles triangle. And equilateral triangle, that is all three sides of the triangle are equal. So these three types of triangle you will get. So how to identify that is, if you are getting AB square, so as usual you have to use only distance formula. So this full 7.1 exercise is based on only distance formula. Okay. So if you are getting AC squared, okay, for everything, for all the triangles, you have to find the distance formula only. Sides, length of the sides you will be finding using distance formula only. Okay, AC squared, if you are getting AC squared, that is hypotenuse squared, is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, AB squared plus BC squared. Then you can say that it is a right angle triangle. Okay, AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So this one is a right angle triangle. Okay, then if any two sides are equal, when you find the distance between the any two sides, AB AC or AB BC or AC BC, any two sides are equal, any two sides, the length of any two sides are equal, then you will say that as isosceles triangle. Then you will say that as isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle is if all three distance between the sides, if it is equal, then you will say that as an equilateral triangle. Okay, now we'll go to sums and categorize the types of triangles. First sum, show that minus 2, 3, 8, 3 and 6, 7 are the vertices of a right angle triangle. So what is the condition I told for a right angle triangle? Sum of the squares of any two sides is equal to the third side. Okay, we will check this now. So let A is minus 2, 3, B 8, 3, C 6, 7. Okay, now AB. We know that AB square is equal to AB is equal to root of. Now we'll be doing AB squared. So that root you won't be getting in the distance formula. So AB squared is equal to x2 minus x1. This is x2. This is x1 y1. This one is x2 y2. So x2 minus of minus plus. So x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So when you simplify this, 8 plus 2, 10 squared is 100. Here you won't get anything. So this is AB squared. Okay. So 3 minus 3 the whole square is 0. So you will get 100 units. So AB squared is 100 units. Then we'll see BC squared. So BC squared is equal to, we don't want this square root, isn't it? So BC squared is equal to 6 minus 8 the whole square plus 7 minus 3 the whole square. So 6 minus 8 the whole square is minus 2 the whole square plus 4 square. So this one will be 4 squared. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 4 fours are 16. So this one will be 20. 20 units. Then next one is AC squared. So AC squared is 6 plus 2 the whole square plus 7 minus 3 the whole square. So 6 plus 2 is 8 squared. 8 squared is 8 8s are 64 plus 7 minus 3 the whole squared is 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So you will get 80. 80 units you will get. Okay, so now if you add this, AB squared is 100. Okay, BC squared is 20. AC squared is 80. So 100 is equal to 20 plus 80. So 100 is AB squared is equal to BC squared plus AC squared. So this one is Pythagoras theorem. So you have showed that these three are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Second sum is show that the points 7, 10, minus 2, 5 and 3, minus 4 are the vertices of an isosceles right triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Any two sides of the triangle are equal. What is right triangle? Hypotenuse squared is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So this will be a combination of both. That is when you find the sum of any two sides, that will be equal to the third side. Like that you will get. So now for this sum we will take the 3 points as P, Q and R. So P is 7, 10. As I told you, this is taking the point's name is only for our convenience. So anything you can take. Q is minus 2, 5 and R is 3, minus 4. Okay. So now PQ square is equal to minus 2 minus 7 the whole square plus 5 minus 10 the whole square. So this one will be minus 9 the whole square. So this one will be 81 plus 5 minus 10 the whole square is 5 squared. So this is 25. So you will get 106 units. Then next one is QR square. So QR squared is equal to 3 plus 2 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 the whole square. So 3 plus 2, 5 squared is 25. This one is 9 squared minus 9 the whole square. This is 81. This one also you will get 106 units. Then next one is PR square. So PR square is equal to 3 minus 7 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 10 the whole square. So 3 minus 7 is minus 4. 4 squared is minus 4 squared is 16. Here minus 4 minus 10 is minus 14. Minus 14 squared is 14 into 14. 196. So 196. So this one will be 212 units. So this one will be 212 units. So from the answer itself we can able to see that 106 plus 106, when you find these two sum, it will be equal to the third one. 106 plus 106 is 212. So it forms an isosceles triangle and it also forms a right triangle. Third sum. Show that the points a, minus a, minus a, minus root 3a, root 3a are the vertices of an equilateral triangle and find its area. So after finding equilateral triangle, what is the rule? If all three sides are sides of the triangle are equal, that is here we are going to find the length. If all three length of the triangle are equal, then it is an equilateral triangle. After finding the length of each side, we will find the area of the triangle. Okay. So we will take these points as A, B and C. So A is A, B minus A, minus A and C minus root 3A, root 3A. Okay. So AB is equal to root of minus A the whole square plus minus A the whole square. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So this one will be root of minus 2a the whole square will be 4a square. Same way here also 4a square will get. This one when you add it will get when you simplify this. When you add this 4 plus 4, you will get root 8a squared. So when you bring this out, you will get, for root a it is 2 root 2, a squared it is a. So this is the length of one side. So if the other two sides also, if we are getting this, then it is an equilateral triangle. You will get like that only. Okay. So AB, then BC is equal to. So BC is equal to minus root 3a minus of minus plus a the whole square plus root 3a minus of minus plus a the whole square. Okay. This one I will simplify this and write the answer here. So this one is also from a plus b into, a plus b the whole square. So this one, using that identity, a plus b the whole squared identity, we will simplify this. So this one will be a squared. A squared is minus root 3a the whole squared is 3a squared. A squared plus b squared minus 2ab. You will get a squared. Then this one, root 3, this is also a plus b the whole square. So a squared plus b squared plus 2a, a is root 3a into a is a squared. So here in this one, minus 2 root 3a squared and plus root 3a squared will get cancelled. So when you add the remaining things, you will get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you will get root 8 squared. Root of 8 a squared you will get. So this one, when you simplify, you will get root 2a. So understood how you have simplified this? This one simple only. A plus b the whole squared formula. Here also a plus b the whole squared formula. So when we are expanding it in that formula, these two things will get cancelled. The remaining will be root 8a squared. Okay. Then next one is AB, BC and AC. So AC is equal to root of AC is equal to root of minus root 3a minus a the whole square minus root 3a minus a the whole square plus root 3a minus a the whole square. So this one also in the same way it has to be simplified. This one is a plus b the whole square. Here both you have negative sign. So when you bring that negative, you are having two negative. So when you bring that with the square, it will be positive. So this one will be root 3 minus a. That is, you can rewrite this as a plus b the whole square. This is a minus b the whole square. The same way how you did the previous step, if you simplify this, you will get root 8 squared only you will get. Okay. Shall I tell you how you are getting that? So this one is a plus b the whole square. In that I am explaining. So this is 3a squared. A squared plus b squared plus 2 root 3a squared you will get. This is for this part. Same way this side also. This one is root 3 the whole square. So this is 3a squared plus b squared minus 2 root 3a squared. The same procedure only. So these two will get cancelled. So 3 plus 3 6 is 7 and 8. So you are getting root 3 8 a squared. Root 3 8 a squared you are getting. So this one you can write it as 2 root 2 a. So we have showed that all the three sides of the triangle are equal. So it is an equilateral triangle. But one more question is also given, that to find its area. So what is the formula to find the area of the equilateral triangle? Area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a squared. Area of, this one you have learnt already in class 9. Okay. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a squared. So root 3 by 4, a is 2 root 2a the whole square. This is the side we got for the equilateral triangle. So when we simplify this, root 3 by 4 into 2 squared is 4, root 2 square is 2 and a squared will get. So this 4 and 4 will get cancelled. The answer is 2 root 3 a squared. So this is the area of the equilateral triangle for the given coordinates. In the previous three sums, 3 points of the triangle will be given and the types of triangle will also be given. Isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. So just you want to check, you want to show that whether any two sides are equal or all three sides are equal. But here this is a different sum from the previous three sums. In this, 3 points are given. O, A, B are the vertices of a triangle. So 3 points of a triangle is given. Name the type of the triangle form. You are asked to check what type of triangle it is. So we will use distance formula. Depending upon the sides, we'll be naming the type of triangle. Okay. So first one is OA. OA square. So since it is given OAB, we don't want to name the given vertices. So this one is OA is equal to root of 3 minus 0 the whole square plus root 3 minus 0 the whole square. So this one will be, when you simplify this will be root of 3 squared. 3 squared is 9 plus this one is root 3 minus 0 is root 3. Root 3 the whole squared is 3 alone you will get. So 9 plus 3 is root 12 units. Okay, so this is the length of one side. The next one is AB. AB is equal to root of 3 minus 3 the whole square plus minus root 3 the whole square. Okay, so this is 3 minus 3, 0 you will get. This one will be minus root 3 minus root 3. So this one will be minus root 3 minus root 3 minus root 3. So when you simplify this, you will get minus 2 root 3 the whole squared you will get. So minus 2 root 3 will be 2 2s are 4. Root 3 the square will be 3. So 4 3s are 12 you will get. One more time I will say, this is root 3 minus root 3. So minus 2 root 3 whole squared you will get. So this minus 2 root 3 the whole squared will be minus 2 the whole squared is 2 2s are 4. Root 3 the whole squared is when square and root will get cancelled, you will get only 3. So 4 3s are 12. So you will get minus 2 root 3 the whole squared, that is equal to root 12. Understood how you got this? Then next one is BO. Next side is BO. So BO is equal to 3 minus 0 the whole square plus root 3 minus 0 the whole square. Okay, so this one will be root of, so 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 squared is 9. This one is minus root 3 minus 0 is minus root 3. Minus root 3 the whole squared is 3. So 9 plus 3 is root 12 units. So since no unit is not given, you can write it as in general units. Okay, so all three sides of the triangle are equal. The length of all three sides of the triangle are equal. So it forms an equilateral triangle. Definitely you have to write it. Name the type of triangle formed. So with the given vertices, it forms an equilateral triangle. Okay, so in this video, I have explained you if vertices of the triangle are given, how to identify, how to show that different varieties of triangle, that is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and right angle triangle I have shown. Okay. So I am doing sums in each model, one sums only I am doing. Many n number of sums are there. So you practice that, practice all the sums. Minimum you have to spend half an hour daily for doing maths. If you are practicing regularly, it will be very much useful for your board exams. So if you have any doubt, please post it to me in the comment box. Thank you.